How to choose express shipping on Shein. Hey everybody. If you would like to select express shipping on Shein, you may just go ahead and follow this process. So we can choose express shipping during checkout. For that, you can just go ahead and select up the product and add it to your cart. After that, look out for cart option on your screen and open up the cart. And from there, just basically select up your product. Like once everything is selected, you can just go ahead and check out by tapping on the checkout option in the bottom right corner. Tap on it like this, and you should be finding checkout. Just go ahead and click on it. And then once you are on your checkout page, you will be prompted to enter your shipping address. After entering your address, you will be able to see shipping options. So Shein offers both standard and express shipping. Standard shipping is the default and usually less expensive, and express shipping will be available for a higher price. So you can just go ahead and select express shipping if you would like to choose that and proceed to the next step, and you will be directed to the payment page to complete your purchase. And that way, you can just go ahead and choose express shipping on Shein. Express shipping will result in faster delivery time, generally 3 to 7 business days, while standard shipping can take up to 7 to 15 business days. And that is it. So you may follow up this method if you would like to choose express shipping on Shein. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.